Okvana stretol na letisku. A celé to začalo tak, že robil som už 9. rok vo filme a rozmýšľal som, že prišiel čas, aby som natočil svoj vlastný film. No a ako som tak o tomto rozmýšľal a spravil som to rozhodnutie a mal som zavreté oči, tak ma zrazu niekto poklepkal po pleci a to bol Okvan. Film Okvan na ceste za slobodou je o hľadaní slobody. A ako povedal by som, že o všetkých možných aspektoch slobody a zároveň o tom, že podľa mňa Okvan hľadá taký recept, ako žiť zmysluplný život, ako priniesť niečo spoločnosti a zároveň prežiť taký naplnený život.
You know, sports films always have this, usually the same message. You lose and then you work really hard and then you get the trophy. And I wanted to, well, it's a documentary, I wanted to make a film about real life and where I thought it would be a really great subject to look at the theme of success and the pressure to succeed at things, but also for young women, the pressure to look beautiful and be happy and be smiling and look hot. While, meanwhile, inside you're a teenager and you're going through hell, or things are, you know, life is a little bit more complicated than what a cheerleader looks like. And so I wanted to make a film about a team of cheerleaders and tell these very serious stories. Like nowadays, we are so surrounded by, you know, American Idol and talent competitions, and you have to be a big success before you're 22 or whatever. Like there's just so much pressure on image and selfies and everything. And I think what I wanted to do was make a film for the rest of us who don't win trophies all the time, who aren't perfect, and just look at where a life can be happy and meaningful in all of the smaller things, the ordinary everyday struggles that we go through. And that's kind of where life is really lived, and that's what's most important.